Hey folks, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add product columns like so. Sometimes it seems like clients just want to display different products in a grid, either on a product page or on a home page or even below a collection page. And they want to hand pick which products they want to display there, either manually or through a meta field or so on. So that's what this section achieves. It allows you to render out products anywhere within a Shopify theme. Now, if we back out to the outermost layer called the product columns layer, we can go in and we can adjust the width. So we can pass in horizon theme, dawn theme, or we can even set a fixed width if we want to adjust it manually. Also, if you're a developer, you can even pass in your own class to adjust the width. So I'm just going to set the width to horizon theme here, and I'm going to go into the columns layer, and you can go into the editing mode and hit customize, and you can set each one of the columns to 4 by default, or you can drag this down so that it displays 3 columns or even 2 columns. Great. So now that you can see how it functions on desktop, on mobile, it also looks pretty awesome. You're able to swipe through each one of the product cards, and you can even adjust how much of the card pokes out into the next view. So for example, we could set it to 1.5 if we want more of the next card to show. In each one of the layout wrappers, we have these groups. So you'll notice if I take my inspector tool and I hover over, we have different groups. Now for the first group, you'll notice that we just selected a product. And if we want to override the default product image, we can pass in our own image. Now, you may be wondering, how can we add this section to a theme? Well, it's through this app here called Flexi. For context, I am a professional developer who has been working on Shopify Plus themes for well over 5+ years, and I've made my entire section library public for you to access, and it's something I upkeep and maintain. I used to charge $1,000 per section, but now you can install any of the sections that I show you on my YouTube channel for just $12 a month. And again, it's something I upkeep and maintain. So with future updates, I make sure these sections are always working. It's kind of like having a developer in your back pocket that is trusted. If we go over into the app here, we can go into the slider sections tab. All we have to do is select our theme and then add whatever section we want to into the theme. In the demo today, I was showing you product columns. So I typed in product into the search bar here, and we can either add in the product columns 1 section, product columns 2, product columns 3. All you have to do is hit the add section button to add it to whatever theme you have selected up here. Once that's added in, you can go over into the theme customizer, and on any template, just hit the plus button here, and then you can scroll down or type in product into the search bar. And then under the Flexi sections area, you can add in any one of these sections. In the demo today, I was showing you all 3, but this top one is product columns 1. And I'm just going to give this a little bit more width. And then I'm going to select a product by clicking on the product group. I'll select this granola bar. And as you can see here, it's pretty easy to add in your own custom products. Anyways, if you found this video useful and if you're interested in editing your Shopify theme, I highly recommend you check out my YouTube channel where I teach people how to edit within Shopify themes and how to even custom code different elements in Shopify themes. Anyways, hope you found this video useful, and cheers.